now and we'll come back. So, Kevin, what do you think? What
We're going to
is a
do a
good time?
Slido. We're going to do a Slido while people are on break. We're going to do a Slido and we're going to give away a couple $100. This is our first Slido for the day. So we got $200. I know the questions are getting harder. So do you want to do your Slido while people go on break? If you need to take a quick break, we'll just let Divya and Peter take a break.
Sure. Great. So, in this break, let's do a simple Slido. So, let me share my screen before that. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready. So, you can mention that in a chat if you are all set to crack another Slido. Okay. Am I sharing my screen? Cool. I can see a lot of people are joining. That's great. What a music. So, Kevin, what's the amount this time? How much we are giving away?
$200.
$200.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good
So we're gonna
start of the
wait. We're
day.
gonna wait a little bit for everyone to get all signed up. So
Yes.
just let people know that this is, if this is the first time they're doing it, that this is a serious quiz and they gotta get signed up. So yeah. Go
Yes.
over the QR
Now,
code and we're going to give people lots of time ready to get signed up because this is the big one. The first one is always the one we give away lots of money so that people are a little like groggy. We don't want that.
right. Awesome. So, how do you get this platform? It's very simple. You use your mobile phone to scan the QR code. If that is not working, you can use your browser, go to slido.com. It will ask you for the number and mention that number there 526 110. And you should be able to get into the game. So, we'll wait for.
You have to answer quickly, right? That's the thing.
Yes. So you have to answer right, and also you have to answer quickly. So it's also about the speed. Your ranking will be depend upon the speed as well. Cool. Let's wait for 10 more seconds. I can see a lot of people have joined.
Yeah, we've got 43 people, so this is good. We'll just wait a few more seconds and let everybody.
Come on, everyone, do join. I can see 76 participants. This is real money. Okay, great. Starting the quiz in next 5 seconds. Okay, great. Okay, great. A lot of people are joining. That's great. So people are joining. So we should wait for some more time. I can see some winners from the last game. Alexei, Hirsch. Who's there? We got Luca, Raja. That's great. Ritika there. Okay, so let's start in 15 seconds. Come on, everyone. Do join. I can see Consti as well. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are going for our first question. And here we go. The first question: who created Azure Cloud Computing Service? Is it Red Hat, Microsoft, Google, Apple? Easy question. So we'll finish it in 3 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Let's see the answer. Okay, most of you are saying Microsoft. That is correct. Right, and also make sure that you don't answer in the chat window. If you otherwise you will be removed from this band. Okay, next question. Here we go. Linux is dash. Is it a kernel, operating system, hardware, or algorithm? Okay, so we are starting the day with the easy questions. Come on, come on, come on. And Okay, let's see what you are answering. Okay, most of you are saying it's an operating system. Okay, I know that's a tricky question, but the answer is kernel. Linux is a kernel. Okay, so all the things like Ubuntu and all those things, they are the operating system based on Linux kernel. Okay, tricky one. Next, go for the third question. Okay, so before that, we have a leaderboard. So I can see Consti on top as usual. Consti, you have to continue for the next three questions as well. I can see Alexei, others, is there also there. Let's see the next, who is doing well in the next three questions. And the next question is here. In software architecture, what does REST stand for? Is it reform, software test, report, software transaction, representation state transfer, repository system transaction? Okay, let's see what you have answered. Oh, most of you are saying representation state transfer is the right answer, and that is correct. So that means you are from the web world, the web development world. That's great. Okay, someone is mentioning the answer, so you will be kicked out now. Sorry for that, but make sure that you don't put answers there. Okay, next question. What is the ASCII value for the letter Z? Z. Is it 88, 90, 91, 95? Okay, and time up. Let's see what you have voted for. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, it's time to read back about the ASCII value. So the ASCII value starts with, what's the number? So it ends with 90. It starts with 65, if I'm not wrong. So capital A is 65, then capital Z is 90. Okay. So, wow. Cool. Okay, last question. Let's see who is able to answer this. Okay, the YouTube Code API is built in which programming language? Is it JavaScript, C#, Dart, Python? Pick one, come on. YouTube Code API. And let's see what you have answered. And here we go. Okay, most of you are saying JavaScript, and then we got second option as Python. The thing is, the UI for YouTube is built using, the UI interaction is built using JavaScript, but the code API is built with Python. Okay, and let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, on leaderboard top, we got Raja. Congrats, Raja, you are on top. And look at the time. Raja answered all the questions in 35 seconds. That's awesome. Okay, so we got second Krishna, Sangat as well. Great job, everyone. And now, Raja, you will receive the mail soon from our side. Okay, congratulations, Raja, once again. And that's our first Slido. So before we move to the next Slido, should we do a Bollywood poll? What do you think, Kevin, or should we continue with the slides?
Yeah, let's do a Bollywood poll. Bring it up. We've got a...
Yay! Bollywood poll is back. Bye.
We're going to start the next, Dalai and Naveen, we're going to start the next session at 11:30, okay?
Okay, so after this, we'll start with the...
Yeah, we'll go to Divya.
So the question is, which of these actresses was the last one to win a Lifetime Achievement Award? Because the thing is, all of them have at some point or the other. So the question just is, which one of them had to wait the longest to be recognized? Do you think you have an idea, Naveen?
I guess I have seen... I guess I know the answer, but I'm not sure.
Well, I think you're going to be an exception because it looks like most people are not picking the answer that I know is correct.
Okay, let me know when they are done so that I can try.
Of course. All right, guys, put in your votes. I think I'm going to give you a few more seconds. Come on. Okay, I'm seeing the right answer edging forward. Let's see if everybody gets it. Have you seen films with any of these actresses in it?
Yes, I've seen it.
Okay, here we go. All right. So the majority of you guys, 40%, you said Sharmila Tagore, and I have to tell you, you are incorrect. The last person who got the Lifetime
Helen?
Achievement Award was Helen. Yes, Naveen. Naveen is the
I guess I've
answer.
seen that.
All
Okay.
right, back to you.
Okay, that was great. So I know some of the answers now. Great, feeling much better. So thank you, Dadai, for the Bollywood poll. And now we can head towards. In fact, we have 2 minutes, Gavin. Can we
Yeah,
do
we're good.
one?
We're good. We can go to Divya.